Hey guys, it's Chris. So welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. This is going to be the workday edition. Right now it is 8:20 a.m. I just got back from the gym. I have enlisted the help of a personal trainer because I feel like I kind of got stuck in a rut when it comes to like my workouts and stuff like that. I didn't weigh in this morning because I kind of midnight snacked on some strawberries. I had probably 50 grams of strawberries in the middle of the night. I'm a midnight snacker. I struggle with midnight snacking. Also, I had a bunch of water, so even if I weighed myself right now, I wouldn't be accurate. And when I weigh myself, I like to do it after I go in the morning, so it hasn't happened yet. But yeah, so far I've only had strawberries, water, and pre-workout. I'll show you all the meals I'm going to be taking with me to work today, and then when we get back from work, I'll show you my dinner and my dessert. So this is something I've been liking a lot lately. Me and Emmanuel have been getting like these little water mix-ins. They're just 5 calories, and we'll mix these to our bottled waters just to help us drink more water throughout the day. I'd say be careful though, because a little really does go a long way with this stuff. So gonna make myself a nice little shot of apple cider vinegar. I still do that sometimes in the morning, but basically I've been using it somewhat as of like an appetite suppressant because you don't really want to eat after you taste it, you know? But just before I start like my eating for the day, because once I start, I can't be stopped. No, but seriously, I've been struggling with like overeating lately. You know, I gotta reel it back in. Like, I'll tell you guys a funny story about yesterday. First, I'm adding some ground ginger and some turmeric. Turmeric? It's not turmeric. Why didn't you guys tell me in my lentil soup video that I was pronouncing it wrong? But yeah, I'm gonna add those two to this shot. Clank, clank. Okay. No, it's actually not that bad. Okay, so I said I'd tell y'all a story. So I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing my makeup a little bit, just really quick. So I don't want it to come off as though, you know, I'm a perfect eater, you know? I like to exercise. I try to eat right most of the time. And let me tell y'all what happened yesterday. So yesterday I went to the gym. No, it wasn't yesterday. Yes, it was yesterday. I went to the gym. I'm in the gym parking lot, okay? As I'm pulling up, I'm talking to my mom on the phone, and she mentions, I'm not putting this on her. I mean, it was totally my choice. But she mentions, oh, I would like some hot brownies with nuts. Do y'all know? I left that gym parking lot. I didn't even go inside. Do you know where I went? I went to Dairy Queen. And I went through the drive-thru and I got myself a small turtle pecan cluster blizzard. And I asked for some mix-ins from the cheesecake blizzard. And I sat in the parking lot and ate it. And then I went around and got another. So I say that to say, you know, sometimes I slip up, sometimes I mess up. But, you know, it's not about, you know, your mess ups. Just pick back up and do better the next day, which is what I did yesterday. I ate pretty well yesterday. And I know I've mentioned before that I like to midnight snack, and I do. But usually when I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm craving something like sweet. And I think I may or may not have a sugar addiction. But really though, like, don't let one bad day or a few bad days or a bad week, you know, make you stop. If you have a goal, just keep going. Like, just look at every day as a new opportunity. Look at every meal as a new opportunity. Like, perspective will really change things, you know? Like, a lot of times I know it's easy to feel like you have one bad meal and you've ruined everything and it's over and it's hopeless, but it's not. I saw an Instagram post and someone mentioned something along the lines of, you know, you ate too much one day, okay, just think of it as bulking. You ate a lot and it was junk, okay, think of it as dirty bulking, where you are trying to get bigger and then now you can lean down or cut or whatever. So it's all about perspective. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I added chia seeds to add a little more fiber and to help keep me fuller a bit longer, because this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast, and after this I won't eat until about 1 o'clock. And right now it is time to go, almost 10:18. Alright, so let me show you what I'm taking with me for lunch to work today. So my lunch is going to be this broccoli, and I made some rice, but I seasoned it with a chicken bouillon cube, some cardamom, some onion, and I'm going to have that with a protein shake for lunch. Then for my midday snack, I have rice cakes, but they're in my drawer at work, but I'm going to pair that with some plain Greek yogurt. I used a little bit of honey and some peanut butter powder for that. Let me see what I got. Yeah. And then for my dinner, I'm gonna make a wrap. Now I have these lower carb, high fiber tortilla wraps, so I'm gonna have 2 of these. And then to go with it, I have some baked chicken breast, lettuce, jalapenos, onions, and tomatoes, and some feta cheese. Let me actually just put that in there. And a pickle. And sometimes I mix my lunch and dinner around, or not my lunch and dinner, I mix my lunch and my midday snack around depending on like how hungry I am at the time. And then tonight I'll be back to show you guys my little small meal for the night and my dessert. Hey you guys, so it is 9:26 p.m. I'm about to make my final small meal of the night, and I'm gonna have my dessert. So tonight is Wednesday and Queen Sugar comes on, so I'm gonna make a little simple meal that I make all the time, like when I'm trying to save on my calories, you know, not trying to like go overboard. I gotta find that pot. So what I'm gonna be making is kind of like a soup, I guess you can call it that. Basically, it's a serving of peas, a little bit of chicken broth, and I add like some seasonings to it. And it's really filling because the peas have fiber, and it gives you that like warm, full feeling because it's a soup. Gonna make sure my 1 serving of peas, a little bit of water to it. Sometimes if I'm feeling like extra hungry, I'll add like other vegetables to it, like Brussels sprouts, because they have, you know what? I am gonna add Brussels sprouts to this tonight. This is like the chicken bouillon, not cube, what is it? It's not, yeah, chicken flavor bouillon that I add to it. I just add a little bit, like a teaspoon. Nobody come in here talking about the sodium. I like to eat, I like tasty food, okay? Add some of this poultry seasoning. While the soup is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my dessert. And this is something that I've been having every night for the past few nights. So I'll have some fresh strawberries, 1 of these salted caramel Dannon Oikos 000 yogurts, and I'm going to have half a serving of dark chocolate covered almonds. So half a serving is 4. And actually, now what I'm going to tell you guys may sound a little crazy, but you know what? I know me. I know myself, okay? So I'm a midnight snacker. I don't know what it is, but when I wake up in the middle of the night, I want sugar, and I'm always like really thirsty. Probably should get that checked out. But so to help me, to save me from myself, I take the almonds, I put 2 ice packs in a lunchbox, and we put them in the trunk overnight because I will eat them overnight if they're in the house. That's just being honest. What do you guys do to fight your sugar cravings? Am I the only person that snacks in the middle of the night? I hope not. But that's going to be it. I'm not going to overeat after that, I promise you. So even though those few Brussels sprouts put me over, my goal for the day was 1648 for calories. That's going to put me over a little bit. So adding those Brussels sprouts, and I think I had a serving of almonds at my lunch today just for dessert, because I like a little sweet mix, okay? But that put me over to about, I'm at 1687 calories for the day. So my totals today, 136 grams of protein, 198 carb, and 50 grams of fat. My fat goal, I try to get about 60 a day these days, but we'll fix that tomorrow. That's gonna be it for this What I Eat in a Day video. If you guys want to see more, if you want to see any updates on anything in particular, leave a comment down below. Someone requested that I do a vlog. I might do that, but you know, I'm a homebody, so y'all keep that in mind if I do a vlog now, okay? But as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.